You searched how to buy shares of Cegedim SA, the French healthcare technology and data services company. It trades on Euronext under the ticker ALCGM.PA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before placing an order. Open the platform search and type the ticker ALCGM.PA to locate the company listing. Choose the result that matches Cegedim SA to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the name and ticker read Cegedim SA and ALCGM.PA before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.